Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, welcome to the continuation of this video. In this video, we are trying to continue from where we stop on voiceover. So in the previous video, we are trying to use 11 labs, but it seems that the free version is not working. So I've gotten an alternative solution. Go to your Play Store, download this app, Voicer. Voicer. Make sure you put in the correct spelling. Okay, Voicer AI app. So this is the app. This one. AI voice, text to speech, TTS, this app. I've already installed it. So install it on your Play Store if you are using Android, install it on your Apple Store if you are using iPhone. So once you open it, you will see something like this. You see configuration like this. Okay. So let me delete this thing so that you can see how I. So that's our test that you want to. Now you come here and select click on you click on see all so that you can see the available voices that are here now. You play them and you select the one that you really want. Okay, so once you click on see all, I can play this one and look at the voice of this lady if it is okay. So that's Jenny. I love the voice. The voice is cool. So you can even look of that of Nigeria there. So if you can see Nigeria one there, you see that those ones they will speak exactly as a Nigerian person. They will have a Nigerian accent. Okay, we have a Nigerian accent. We have a lot of them there. Germany, Italian. Don't select Italian. Italian will not narrate your story very well. Okay, Chinese is even there. Taiwan, different kind of. So you can just take your time to um explore them. Okay, so I want to select this first one, which is Jenny. Okay, the voice is cool for me. So you copy what we have. Uh, we paste what we have copied. This is the part of the story. You can see that here the maximum words that you can copy here is 3005. Once it reaches 3005, then it will not accept it. That means you have to break your story. Okay, so you'll be copying your story maybe 3000 words, 3000 words at once. Okay, to generate voiceover for it. Okay, so if that is the case, then you click on generate. This generate. Okay, click on generate and you wait. So let's wait. Sorry. Okay, it's asking me that I should subscribe to their YouTube channel and win 300 characters. So I've subscribed. Let me follow them on this thing also. I think they make use of character. So you can just explore. You can just go to your Google and search for AI text to speech. You just say free AI text to speech. Okay, Google will suggest better site for you that will not be stressing you like this. Okay, that clip champ is uh kind of I love clip champ, but just that it does not work on Android phone anymore. Does not work on Android phone anymore unless you make use of this thing. Unless you make use of um, unless you make use of what do we call it, make use of PC. Okay, so let's click on generate. Now it will generate since we already have enough characters. I think it is this character they are using to run it, but this app is not the, because once you run out of character, they will still ask you to pay. Okay, so you will look for as many. uh so click on generate now, look for many of them so that you see now it has already generated. It's narrating. So it's narrating what I've pasted here. That's how the voiceover will look like. So you click on download here. This is the download. Download it. Okay. So let's download and wait for it to download. They ask you where you want to save it on your phone. I want to save it here. Let me save it on this Bluetooth. So you save it there. So it's already on my Bluetooth. So that's how to do that. You can just go to your Bluetooth and resave it on your file or any other. Okay, once I get another available text to speech, I will forward it here. Just that most of these text to speech sites, they are now asking people to pay money. There's no free version. To even get the free version is very hard right now. Okay, very hard, but you can still see when you browse and you try to explore more. So let's try using this. Okay, so whenever you run out of a character, you come back again, you refresh, or you go to, I will show you how we can also use Canva. You can use Canva to generate text to speech. So let's go to Canva now. So in my next video, I will talk about how to use Canva.